Difference between inductive and deductive reasoning. Inductive reasoning. Meaning. Inductive reasoning connotes the argument in which the premises give reason in support of the probable truth of the conjecture. Deductive reasoning is the fundamental of valid reasoning wherein the premises give guarantee of the truth. Inductive reasoning. Deductive reasoning. Based on observation, patterns or trends. Facts, truths, and rules. Process. Observation pattern tentative hypothesis theory. Theory hypothesis observation confirmation. Structure. Inductive reasoning goes to specific to general. Deductive reasoning goes to general to specific. Example. Difference between mutually exclusive and collectively exhaustive. Mutually exclusive. Mutually exclusive is a statistical term describing two or more events that cannot happen simultaneously. Collectively exhausted. In probability theory and logic, a set of events is jointly or collectively exhaustive if at least one of the events must occur. Mutually exclusive. Example. You can't run backwards and forwards at the same time. The events running forward and running backwards are mutually exclusive. You can't toss a coin and get both a heads and tails, so tossing a heads and tossing a tails are mutually exclusive. Collectively exhaustive. Example. When rolling a six-sided die, the events 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 each consisting of a single outcome are collectively exhaustive because they encompass the entire range of possible outcomes. Probability sampling. Simple random sampling is a subset of a statistical population in which each member of the subset has an equal probability of being chosen. A simple random sample is meant to be an unbiased representation. It is used to make statistical inferences about a population. It helps ensure high internal validity. Randomization is the best method to reduce the impact of potential confounding variables. Example. An example of a simple random sample would be the names of 25 employees being chosen out of a hat from a company of 250 employees. In this case, the population is all 250 employees, and thus on pace random because each employee has an equal chance of being chosen. Non-probability sampling. Quota sampling. Quota sampling is a simple yet effective way to do research in the initial phases. From the population, the researcher could select two variables to study about a particular group. In a quota sampling, there is a non-random sample selection taken, but it is done from one category which some researchers feel could be unreliable. The researchers run the risk of bias. Example. For example, a cigarette company wants to find out what age group prefers what brand of cigarettes in a particular city. He or she applies quotas on the age groups of 21-30, 31-40, 41-50, and 51+. From this information, the researcher gauges the smoking trend among the population of the city. Thank you for watching.